The challenge in this space is making open plan living feel cozy and inviting.
Sarah has perfectly blended indoor and outdoor living.
You'll never guess what's behind the pantry doors. We always love to have our kitchen, dining, living all together, opening up onto our outdoor alfresco area and having that space really usable and accessible all year round. So we've got a beautiful wide opening. We'll have a floating timber step down here.
Love it.
So we'll step down and we've got our open plan kitchen, dining and living space. Pretend there is some doors here, matching the fridge doors that are here, and it all looks like it's one. Ooh, I don't know if I want to show you what's in here. I've kept some pendant lights to this end, so when you walk down, you'll see straight through. I didn't want to block off the view of this room. So we've got a stone feature wall going in here, views out to the mountains. In my main kitchen, I have splurged. It is such a wow statement area in my home, and for that reason, I've chosen the cloudburst concrete from Caesar Stone. For my tiles in the butler's pantry, for consistency, I've decided to use my white penny rounds from Colour Tile as they tie in with my bathrooms. For my kitchen cabinetry, I have chosen, again, the Laminex timber wood grain finish, but I also want to tie in with some white cabinetry. I'm choosing matte white because it's easy to clean and maintain. For a seamless look, I will choose the same colour for my white cabinetry as what I will choose for my walls. We've got the big louvered windows, big glass panels the whole way around, taking in all the beautiful natural light and the views.
Yes.
And we've put in a drop ceiling in this room.
I noticed that.
So the reason we have done that is so that we can hide all the channeling for the curtains. So we've got some beautiful curtains going in from Home Blinds Australia.
Yep.
Some lovely sheers just to give us a little bit of privacy, soften the room. Okay, so in the kitchen, we've gone with all integrated appliances as much as possible.
Yep.
So we've got our integrated dishwasher over here, which looks seamless. Most importantly, we have the butler's pantry. So I've got my ovens in there, I've got my food pantry in there, and a really good working space. So we've got our integrated fridge and freezer here. And then next to it here, we have the secret room.
Now, obviously, I know what's in the secret room. I've seen the plans, but I'm so excited to see how it's turned out and what Sarah picked for it. I think the key with styling at the moment is less is more. So less items, but bigger pieces, and playing around with texture.
Hoping for some nice ceramics in the kitchen. So some new mugs and table setting pieces.
And you've packed your mood boards, right?
Yes, I've got my mood boards, I've got my floor plan.
Yeah, check all the tones are matching up nicely, that sort of thing. Great.
Yes. I did want some of these pieces for the coffee tables. Yes, the reason I'm looking at these and choosing these is because of the texture.
Yeah.
So it's going to add some interest while not adding colour.
And a lot of your coffee tables are either timber or rattan, so at least you're having contrast. Whereas if you were putting rattan on rattan on rattan, the items get a bit lost then.
That's right. These are so cute.
They are.
They have a little bit of texture, a little bit of character.
Yes.
So these would be perfect for in the kitchen. Then I spotted this one down here as well. So
they are
similar colours, similar tones, but different shapes, different styles. These are going in favourite room of the house, in the wine cellar. So I wanted something a little bit more sophisticated. a little bit more grown up for that area. It's an adults only room, and these two side tables are the perfect choice.